Hey guys, welcome to Amanda's channel. Today we're going to be doing green sauce, which is chile verde. You can use this sauce on your tortas, tacos, pozole, anything you want to put it in. It's always great, and you know it tastes awesome. Also, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know how you do your chile verde. Also, let me know how I did and what else can I work on. I want to thank all of y'all for being a subscriber to my channel. And remember, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Love y'all. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and toast our tomatillos and our jalapenos. You could use serrano peppers if you want to, but I prefer jalapenos. And also, you could get the seeds out of here if you don't like it to be that hot. Out of the jalapenos, you could get seeds out. But me, I care less about being hot or not hot. Okay guys, so as these tomatillos and the peppers are getting toasted over here, we're gonna go ahead and get another pan and put our garlic in there. We're gonna also put your half onion and the oregano and the cumin too. You're gonna let it sit there for at the medium low, and just leave it there for at least 5 minutes. And just keep moving your tomatillos, your bell peppers, your jalapenos, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, this side is done. You can see that they're changing colors right now, and right here it's really roasted. So these are good to put them back on our blender, and these still need some time. So we're gonna go ahead and get our blender. And then we're just gonna wait on our sauce too, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so once that our sauce, our cumin and oregano and our onion are all warmed up and done, I'm gonna put the water in there. Just be careful because it's hot. And also, we're gonna add some salt to this, and that's up to y'all how much salt y'all want to put in. I just put a little bit. And also, we're gonna add our cilantro. And if y'all want to add black pepper to it, that's fine too. Okay, now we're gonna blend it till it's all blend in together. Blend together. Go ahead and squeeze your 2 limes in there. And just blend it for like a second. This is how easy you get to do a green sauce with my chile verde. This is how I do it. It's so easy. It's like a 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And now I'm gonna get, I don't know if y'all want me to try it or, as usual, my husband, but he said chicken. He doesn't like no hot sauce, but I'll get him. Tostadas to try the chili. Yeah.
I'm trying again. Hold on. We get a good piece out of it.
Oh my God! Take your time. Take your time.
I'm trying to get a piece of shit out of here. Tastes good. Not too bad.
De pica.
Not too. I love it. I mean, it's got help it with the flavor, but it doesn't pica like overwhelming where you can't eat your food. That's pretty good. I give it a thumbs up.
Well, there you go, guys. You can use these on your tostadas, your tacos, your gorditas, on anything. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.